Welcome to Smart Money Flow, the channel that helps you unlock smart, low-fort ways to earn income online using the latest tools and trends. If you've ever felt like making money online is only for tech experts or content pros, think again. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 powerful AI hustles you can start right now. No special skills, no startup money, and no experience needed. Just your time, internet, and a bit of creativity. Let's get into it. Hash 1. Script writing with AI. Are you tired of spending countless hours writing scripts for your videos only to realize they're not resonating with your audience? Or maybe UVA got great video ideas, but lack the writing skills to turn them into engaging content. Whatever your situation, there's an easier way to craft high-quality scripts that draw in viewers and boost your channel's growth. With AI script writing, you can generate unique, captivating scripts in just minutes, freeing up your time for other aspects of your channel. Plus, it's accessible to anyone, regardless of skill level or background. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, AI script writing can help take your channel to the next level. Here's what you need to know about how to use AI script writing to make money. Start by identifying a topic or keyword related to your niche. For instance, if you're in the fitness industry, you could try yoga, weight loss, or healthy eating. Once you have your topic, visit websites that offer AI script writing. Type in your topic or keyword and click Generate. Now you have a script written for you. All you need to do is read it over and make any changes necessary. You should always review the script for quality and accuracy. After all, it's a good practice to review and edit anything that comes from AI. So once you're happy with your script, save it and move on to the next step. Now that you have your generated script, it's time to find a platform to share it on. There are several options here. For example, if you're in the fitness space, consider creating an account on a video sharing platform. Upload your script as a video and include relevant tags and a title. This helps your videos show up in search results when people look for that content. But why stop at one platform? Share your video on various social media channels to reach more people. This could be LinkedIn, Twitter, or even TikTok. The more places you share your content, the more exposure you'll get. To maximize your reach, it's important to have a call to action in your video. Tell viewers what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting your website, following you on social media, or signing up for your email list. Make it clear and easy for them to take the next step. To truly succeed, you must be consistent. Keep creating new content and sharing it across platforms. As you build an audience, you'll start seeing results. People will engage with your content, leading to more followers, subscribers, and potential customers. Now, let's talk numbers. How much money can you make with AI script writing? The income potential is vast and depends on several factors, such as the niche, the quality of content, and the marketing skills. For example, if you focus on a high-demand niche like finance or business, you can charge premium rates for your services. According to industry standards, a 1,000-word script can fetch anywhere from $50 to $300. With AI script writing, you can complete these projects much faster, increasing your earning potential. And the best part? You can work at your own pace, setting your rates and choosing the projects you want to tackle. Number 2. Faceless YouTube videos. Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but been intimidated by the idea of showing your face on camera? Fear not. With faceless YouTube videos, you can earn money without ever appearing on camera. Here's how it works. First, brainstorm video ideas related to your area of expertise or interest. This could be anything from personal finance to health and wellness to technology. Next, create a script for your video using AI script writing tools. We already covered how to do this in the last section. You then find royalty-free stock videos and images to use as background visuals for your video. Websites like Pixels and Pixabay offer a wide range of options. With your script and visuals ready, it's time to bring your video to life. Use screen recording software to record your computer screen as you present your video. You can add a voiceover, using AI voice cloning tools. We'll cover some of these later in this video. Finally, edit your video using software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Add text, graphics, and transitions to keep your audience engaged. Once your video is ready, upload it to a video sharing platform and give it a catchy title. Don't forget to include relevant keywords so your video shows up in search results. Finally, promote your video on social media to reach a wider audience. With a bit of time and effort, you'll have a successful, faceless YouTube channel that brings in passive income. #3 AI-powered ebooks and PDFs. Have you ever wanted to write an ebook or create helpful PDF guides but felt overwhelmed by the process? With an AI-powered ebook and PDF creation, you can generate high-quality, engaging content in minutes. This innovative tool uses artificial intelligence to help you create ebooks and PDFs on virtually any topic. You can use it to generate outlines, write full chapters, create summaries, or even design covers. It's a game changer for anyone looking to publish content quickly and easily. What sets this tool apart is its user-friendly interface and powerful AI capabilities. You can choose from a range of templates and customize them to fit your needs. And with its built-in editing and formatting tools, you can create a professional-looking ebook or PDF without any design skills. The best part? It's incredibly fast. You can generate content in seconds and have your ebook or PDF ready to go in minutes. This means you can publish multiple pieces of content in a short amount of time and reach a wider audience. With more content comes more opportunities to earn income. So how does one make money with AI-powered ebook and PDF creation? You can sell your ebooks and PDFs directly to your audience through a website or social media platforms. You can also distribute them for free in exchange for email addresses, building your list and creating potential future customers. To get started, simply choose a topic or niche, generate content using the AI tool, format and edit your ebook or PDF, then publish and promote it. Number 4. Prompt selling. Are you tired of the daily grind of selling digital products online? Imagine a way to earn passive income without the hassle of creating and delivering digital products. Enter prompt selling. Prompt selling is a revolutionary way to monetize your knowledge and expertise without ever having to create a product. Instead, you sell prompts, which are essentially inputs or keywords used in AI tools like ChatGPT to generate outputs like text, images, or videos. With prompt selling, you can create and sell prompts that others can use with AI tools to generate their own digital products. It's a win-win situation. Buyers get access to valuable digital products created with ease, while you earn passive income without lifting a finger. It's like selling digital products without the hassle of actually creating them. By selling prompts, you can tap into the growing market of AI users who want to leverage AI tools but may not have the expertise or time to generate their own prompts. You can position yourself as an expert in a particular niche and sell prompts that help others generate content in that area. For example, if you're knowledgeable about social media marketing, you could create prompts that help users generate social media posts or ad copy. To get started with prompt selling, first identify a niche or industry you're knowledgeable about. Then brainstorm potential prompts that could be valuable to others in that industry. For example, if you work in finance, you could create prompts that help users generate financial reports or investment strategies. Once you have your prompts ready, you can start selling them through various platforms. You can sell individual prompts or create packages of prompts on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Alternatively, you can create a website and sell your prompts directly to your audience. When it comes to pricing your prompts, consider the value they provide to buyers. Research similar prompts being sold by others and determine a competitive yet profitable price point. Remember, you don't need to create digital products. You just need to provide value in the form of prompts. This makes prompt selling a highly scalable business model. You can continue to create and sell prompts without the overhead associated with creating and delivering digital products. #5 AI Art and Printables. Have you ever considered creating and selling AI-generated art prints? This unique approach to print nom nom allows you to capitalize on the popularity of AI art while offering customers high-quality, physical products. It says a fantastic way to stand out in the crowded world of print nom nom and reach new heights of success. With this method, you can leverage the power of AI to create stunning original artwork that sets you apart from the competition. There are many platforms where you can sell your AI art prints. Online marketplaces are a great place to start as they already have a built-in customer base. List your prints in relevant categories and use high-quality images to showcase your artwork. Additionally, consider selling directly through your website or social media channels. By diversifying your sales channels, you can reach more customers and increase your earning potential. Number 6. Social media content creation. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating social media content only to see little results? Imagine a way to streamline your content creation process and still deliver high-quality posts that resonate with your audience. Enter AI social media content creation. This innovative approach leverages the power of artificial intelligence to help you produce engaging content in minutes. With AI social media content creation, you can overcome the challenges of creating consistent, engaging content and free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Here's how to use AI social media content creation to make money. First, identify your target audience and create buyer personas to better understand their interests and needs. This will help you tailor your content and attract the right customers. Next, use AI tools to generate content ideas based on your industry and target audience. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm topics and create content outlines, saving you time and effort. Once you have your topics and outlines in place, use AI writing tools to generate high-quality, engaging content. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you create content that resonates with your audience and drives results. Finally, use AI-powered analytics tools to track the performance of your content and make adjustments as needed. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can help you measure your success and optimize your content strategy. Number 7. AI Voiceover Gigs. Are you looking to make money online with your voice bust, struggling to land voiceover gigs? Imagine a way to leverage the power of AI to create realistic voiceovers in minutes, allowing you to scale your income potential and break into the lucrative world of voice acting. With AI voice cloning, you can create a digital version of your voice and generate high-quality voiceover content without the need for expensive equipment or studio time. Here's how to use AI voice cloning to make money. Choose a platform that offers AI voice cloning tools. Many options are available, each with its own unique features and pricing structure. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, and pricing when making your selection. Use the platform's AI voice cloning feature to create a digital version of your voice. This typically involves uploading audio samples and following the platform's instructions. Experiment with different voices and accents to find the ones that work best for you. Identify a niche or industry to focus on. This could be anything from audiobooks to e-learning, animation, or commercials. Target businesses and individuals within that niche who need voiceover services. Reach out to potential clients through various channels, including social media, freelancing platforms, and your personal network. Promote your services by showcasing your AI-generated voiceover work and highlighting the benefits of using AI technology. Set competitive rates for your services based on factors like the length of the project and the complexity of the voiceover work. Deliver exceptional customer service to build strong relationships and encourage repeat business. And there you have it, 7 powerful AI hustles you can start right now. Embrace the power of AI to transform your skills and knowledge into a profitable online venture. Remember, consistency and persistence are key to success. So don't wait. Start today and watch your income grow. Quick recap. AI script writing enables you to generate high-quality scripts for videos or other content, opening doors to various income streams like YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Faceless YouTube videos allow you to create and share videos without showing your face, generating revenue through views and sponsorships. AI-powered ebook and PDF creation lets you generate content quickly and easily, selling your ebooks or offering them for free in exchange for email addresses. Prompt selling involves selling prompts that others can use with AI tools to generate their own content, providing value without creating products yourself. AI Art and Printables combine AI-generated artwork with print-on-demand services, allowing you to sell physical products without managing inventory. AI social media content creation streamlines content creation using AI tools, helping you attract customers and generate leads for your business. AI Voiceover Gigs leverage AI voice cloning to create realistic voiceovers, opening doors to freelancing opportunities and passive income. That's it for today's guide on 7 AI hustles you can start right now, even if you've never made money online before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money Flow, your go-to channel for earning smarter, not harder. More faceless video tutorials, free AI tools, and passive income strategies are on the way, so make sure you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.